Hi, welcome to BrainyBuzz. This is the part 2 of the links tutorial in the HTML course. So far we have seen how to link your web page or your web page from your website to another web page. So it's like sometimes we need that we want to link our website to another website external like Google or Gmail. So let's see how we can do that. This is our previous tutorial. So it's like I can right click here to go to, now we have want to write as Google over here. So what I'll do href, and then instead of browsing it I'll just write http://www.google.com. Close it, and I can also write as the target. I want it to open in a different tab, then just close it. Now let's close the A tag and the P tag over here. So save it and just open this link. So now here we have two links, About Us and Google. About Us was from the previous tutorial and this Google is from the current tutorial. So now Google is opened. So it's the way that you can also connect from your website to the another or the external website that is not a part of your own website. So like that you can link your particular web page to another website or the external. So now here is the structure, the folders in the website. Sometimes you want that your website or your web pages website to be structured, like you have different sections on your website. The contact us is there, about us is there, the description or the vision comes under your about us, and after that you have careers, the courses offered, like that. So we basically what we do, we create a folder structure. It's like over here what if we can remove this and we write image1.html. I'll just refresh it, and when I click on this I get this page. So it is like you have your images or you have your web page within the same folder, like you have the parent web page over here and the target web page in the same folder, but it's like you want to structure it. So instead of giving the same path, like the full path, what you can do, you can just rename the, like you can give the about us over here, and instead of giving the full path, what you do, you write only about us, and after that the HTML page name. Let me show it to you. I'll just write this much over here. I need not to write each and every like the whole page or the whole path over here. I'll just write this. So now over here I have created the structure of the web page. Now when I just refresh it, if I click on this, now we have gone to another page. So this is the way we structure our website. We create the folders and we put the web pages, like we structure our web page, or we group your web page in the in one of the other folder. Like you can write in about us, like about us and your vision, contact us, and at the same time you can create another folder with the careers, or what are the openings you have, what are the different career options you have. So like this you can also, instead of, if you have like 100 pages, instead of keeping 100 pages in one folder, that I know that will be clumsy. So you can rather create different folders, and you can separate your the common files in the different folders. So this way you can structure your folder, and this will be your relative URL, because you are giving the URL relative to your current HTML page where it is kept. Another thing, you have linked to a specific part of the same page. This is actually important. It's like sometimes you do not want to link to another page. You have a big web page, and you like put index at the top, and you want to like click on a link and you want to navigate to the end. It's like it happens in many of the websites also. So for that, what we do, we have two options. One is the href, over where we put the URL, and another thing is the ID. So wherever you put the href, that will be the URL. That means when you click on this introduction, it will move to this part. So let me show a demo for this. You will not provide any kind of path or the URL over here. You just write it as hash and then introduction over here. And just close your tags. So now when you save it and you just refresh your page, you get introduction over here. So like I'll just what I'll do, to make the page big, I'll just put some BR tags over here. We put lots of BR tags over here so that our page will be lengthy. So now over here you can write another A tag, and then ID you can put for the, you can write introduction, just close it. Or either what you can do, it's like you can write the heading over here. You can write introduction, and you can just close your tags, and here you can write the introduction part, whatever you want to write it over here. So now when you just refresh it, you have a very long page over here, and it's like in the end you have this introduction part. Instead of navigating, what you can do, you can just click on this and you will get the same, you can just go through this part. So sometimes it's like you have a very lengthy page and you want to navigate from one portion of the web page to another portion. So what you can do, you can just place your mouse over here, you can just click on it and you can go to this part. So at the same time, at many of the web pages you might have seen that top of the page. So whenever you click on the top of the page, it will reach here. So that is the thing, you in the last you have provided the href, that is the anchor tag, and over here you have provided the ID tag. So base and image links we'll see in the next tutorial. Thanks and have a nice day.